If you wanted to retain your maiden surname, that's just fine. No? But the question is, sir, what about those substantial changes in my birth certificate? Can I file an application? For example, if you wanted to change your gender in the birth certificate, will it be possible? It depends. There are two prevailing doctrines in the Philippines regarding change of gender or correction of entry regarding to gender in the birth certificate. One is the case of Jennifer Kagandahan. Jennifer Kagandahan was originally born female. At the age of 13, he suffered the so-called KAH, congenital adrenal hyperplasia. Because by the age of 13, aside from being a female, her body developed a male organ. As she grows older, when she reached the age of 16, laboratory test results that her vaginal orifice had minimized, ligaman, including her fallopian tube and the ovary. She also failed to develop her breast. And as she grows more older, he developed more muscles than ordinary women do. What she did is she went to the court and petitioned for a change of gender in her birth certificate from female to male. And according to the court, since there is no law prohibiting this particular event, as this is covered, and it was the nature, it was God Himself who caused this particular scenario or this particular event, there's no reason for us to prevent the change of entry, particularly gender in her birth certificate. Successfully, Jennifer Kagandahan was able to change her birth certificate from female to male, and by now, he's already married. There's also another case. The case of Romel Dantes Silvilio. Romel Dantes Silvilio was born male. She went to Thailand, worked there, became successful, and underwent sexual transplant. So pinutol yung lawit-lawit, pinalitan. She went back to the Philippines and petitioned the court to change her first name from Romel to Mela, citing the case of Jennifer Kagandahan. Ngayon sa Korte, Your Honor, you should grant my petition because you have already granted the petition of this particular Jennifer Kagandahan. Sa ingon Supreme Court, kanini mong kaso, this is not born out by nature. There was an intervention of man. And under our law, you cannot change your entry of gender in your birth certificate by mere sexual transplant. So hindi siya pwede. Ang nangyari ngayon, Mela siya sa mga friends niya, pero sa birth certificate niya, Romel pa rin. What about if you wanted to change your surnames? Is it possible? Yes, of course. What you'll have to do is you approach a lawyer or a petition, you will file a petition in court changing your surname. For example, because the law allows a change of surname if your surname is too scandalous. For example, your family name is Demonyo. You can go to court. Your Honor, my family name is too scandalous and I have been subjected to several ridicule. And the court will allow that. Remember, Dorale said Lex, the law may be harsh, but it's the law. A law each day keeps the bad doctor away. Maayong buta na natin talaga.
Thank you very much, sir, for that message worth remembering. To confer the medalya ng papuri to our speaker, may we call in our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Alma G. Abagaima. Medalya ng papuri pursuant to the Bureau of Fire Protection Program on Awards and Incentives for Service Excellence. This medalya ng papuri is hereby conferred to Chief Inspector Ravel B. Carido, Chief Legal Unit, for his insightful contribution and commendable performance as a truth, information, and education speaker during the traditional flag raising ceremony held on April 22, 2024 at BFP Regional Office 10. thereby worthy of recognition and emulation. Given this 22nd day of April 2024 at the Office of Regional Director, BFP 10, Mamela Extension, Carmen, Cagayan de Oro City, signed by Alma Gran Abagayan, MMEA, MPSA, Fire Chief Superintendent, BFP Regional Director.